Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to use the partitioning column method for addition. This written method is used in Year 2. So imagine I wanted to add together the numbers 36 and 25. So in Year 1 you have developed a really good understanding of place value, which means that I can now see that if I partition my numbers into 30 and 6, so into my 10s and my 1s, and I do the same for the other number as well, I can add them together. So I now have 3 10s and 2 10s, which gives me 5 10s or 50. And over here I have 6 1s and 5 1s, which gives me 11 1s. And if I was to add those together, I'd get 61. So the total is 61.